So why was the crowd told to run?
So here is the Feather River that comes down through Oroville.
Capacity or water in it.
In February 2017, California got the answer. Just hours earlier, everything looked normal. Families were at home. Roads were busy. Businesses stayed open.
Striker. That's true.
But in Northern California, behind the massive walls of the dam, pressure was already building. This dam was no ordinary structure. Standing over 770 feet tall, it was the tallest dam in the United States. Built to control enormous amounts of water and protect nearby communities. It had worked for decades. But after a powerful winter storm hits California, reservoir levels began rising fast, and engineers suddenly noticed something alarming. A massive hole had opened in the main spillway. Water rushing through it was tearing apart concrete and exposing the structure underneath. So here was the answer. The panic wasn't caused by the entire dam collapsing. It started because of one of the systems designed to safely release water was beginning to fail.
Up a TFR, a temporary flight restriction over the Oroville Dam.
But that created another terrifying question. If the main spillway was damaged, what would happen next? Officials turned to the emergency spillway, but it had a problem of its own. Powerful water flow started causing severe erosion, and experts feared something catastrophic.
Everybody off! Hurry up!
If the emergency spillway failed, enormous flooding could happen down the stream.
You can see quite a bit of erosion off to the side of the spillway.
That was the reason behind the evacuation. More than 170,000 people were suddenly told to leave.
The spillway is still in place. Those big
Roads filled with traffic. Panic spread. And for hours, nobody knew whether the worst was still coming. But one question remained. Could this crisis have been prevented? Questions were raised about the spillway design, maintenance decisions, and early warnings. While the powerful storm triggered the emergency, the disaster may not have started in 2017. Only the panic did. Because disasters rarely begin the day itself. Hidden beneath concrete, pressure, and routine, until one day, panic mode begins.